Okay, here we are napping. And one thing to remember always when you're napping, to have protection in your eyes here, which have these lovely sunglasses, and gloves, so you don't cut yourself much. So this technique, what I'm gonna show, is called platform technique. We have a platform core here that is prepared, and my aim is to hit the edge here and to release flakes that can be later used retouching tools. So here we go. We got flakes here, yeah, they're very good. I'm gonna just prepare the platform here. We got all kinds of flakes that can be used, which is good. So this is shirt here, and the technique is platform flake. I'm preparing the edge so it isn't too sharp, and I hit right here on the edge and release these very nice flakes that can be used in many ways. This here is same kind of platform core, a little bit smaller, but it's from flint. I will attempt to do the same thing, release some flakes from here for to use as scrapers and arrowheads and such. Okay, this is a good scraper piece, which I can easily modify in the scraper. Now we have some good pieces here, and I will now show you some retouch techniques. So here we are next stage, which is the retouching stage. Now I hit this very good piece from the flint core, and this I will modify into a scraper, which is kind of the basic tool and one of the easiest kind of starting tools you can make at home. So here we go. So hitting the edge here. This is small napping stone. You can see its pieces are coming off quite nicely, and the edge here is starting to look like a tool that can be used as a scraper. So it's very nice. It's coming together very easy. Just find a platform, hit it, and create the adequate edge. Shouldn't take that much time even to modify this into a scraper. Oh, here we go. So now I'm gonna show you some pressure flaking retouch technique. We got this very nice flake that I napped, and I'm gonna attempt to make this into a sort of an arrowhead, like a simple type arrowhead that you can try to make at home. So let's go. So I focus on the edge here, and I apply pressure into the edge with this moose antler. And as you can see, this kind of small retouch flakes come off, and we start to get a little bit of edge to this thing. It will not be fully retouched edge, but it will be something pretty cool. So starting to look something like an arrowhead, but this edge is still pretty bad, so I'm gonna work on it still. Yeah, it's something. Here it is. So this is what we got done today. So we have this chert arrowhead that we made by retouching and platform flaking. Then we have this scraper, which I created here from a flint piece. And this I actually made earlier, this like a flint knife, which is very sharp and nice. While you're making these kind of tools, you must always remember to clean up everything and stay safe.